In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop TikTok from being able to see your location. Now, this is useful if you're trying to post to a very specific country. So TikTok actually uses two things to push your videos to the relevant audience. The first thing is going to be your SIM card. So whatever country's SIM card you have in your phone, that will be the country most likely that your content will be pushed to. The second thing is your location services. So if you're on iPhone, what I would do is I will go ahead and head over to settings. And once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and you look in here for privacy and security. Once you've done that, click on that and then you'll see location services. Click on that and here will be all of the apps which you're giving your location to. You can then scroll down and find TikTok. And then if you want to turn this off and stop TikTok from knowing what location you're in, click on never and essentially close out of your TikTok app and reopen it. And that's what you've got to do.